Welcome back to Lecutors, where we dive into the latest in tech and AI. Today, we've got some exciting news from AWS that you won't want to miss. They've just launched 2 brand new artificial intelligence certifications that are game changers for anyone interested in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Stick around to find out how these certifications can supercharge your career in tech. But before we dive in, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. We post videos every day, and subscribing helps us know you love this content. And it tells YouTube to keep suggesting awesome videos like this one to you. Alright, let's get into it. So, what's the big news? AWS has just rolled out 2 new certifications. The AWS Certified AI Practitioner and the AWS Certified Machine Learning Engineer Associate. These are designed to help you get ahead in the ever-evolving field of AI and cloud technology. First up, the AWS Certified AI Practitioner. This is a foundational certification, perfect for anyone, no matter your background. It's all about understanding AI concepts, generative AI, and how to spot AI opportunities while using AI tools responsibly. If you're just starting out in AI, this is a great way to get your feet wet. For more info on this exam, check out the link in the description below. Now, for those of you with some experience under your belt, the AWS Certified Machine Learning Engineer Associate is where it's at. This certification is for pros with at least a year of hands-on experience building, deploying and maintaining AI and ML solutions on AWS. It's all about applying AI models in real time, optimizing performance, and keeping data secure. Again, more details on this exam can be found in the description. Why are these certifications such a big deal? Well, the AI job market is booming. Getting certified can boost your earning potential by up to 47%, and companies are willing to pay a premium for certified professionals, not just in it, but also in sales, marketing, finance, you name it. For job seekers, these certifications can really enhance your employability. They're a verifiable proof of your expertise, making you a standout candidate for potential employers. And for those already in the industry, it's a great way to advance your career and take on more significant roles. For employers, having a team of AI-certified professionals means driving innovation and staying competitive. It also builds credibility and trust, ensuring your team can tackle complex AI challenges effectively. And the best part? AWS is offering free and low-cost training resources to help you prepare for these exams. They have digital courses available on AWS Skill Builder that cover essential AI/ML concepts, prompt engineering, data transformation techniques, and more. Just as AWS revolutionized cloud certification with their Solutions Architect exams back in 2017, these new AI certifications are set to be the benchmark in the AI landscape. And if you look at the impact of the AWS Solutions Architect Associate certification, which is one of the most sought after in the cloud industry with over 1.31 million active certifications, it's clear how valuable these credentials can be. In conclusion, AWS's new AI certifications are a huge leap forward, democratizing AI skills and empowering professionals to fully harness AI technologies. Whether you're just getting started in AI or looking to deepen your expertise, these certifications offer a clear path to achieving your career goal. Stay ahead in your career and embrace the future of AI with AWS's new certifications launching this August. For more information, be sure to visit the AWS certification page, link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next video.